Today we present to you ANENG Smart Pen Multimeter, compact body. However, it has a wealth of practical functions. Equipped with 2 telescopic cables, it can be stretched to about 1.6 meters. There is no need to be limited by length. Free retractable without winding, comes with a positive pen cap. Unscrew and remove the back cover. Install 2 AAA batteries. Install the back cover and turn it on. High definition VA color display screen. Turn on the backlight screen for convenient night reading. Operate the mouth alone to prevent wrong insertion. Power on and enter automatic mode. It can automatically identify the alternating current. Press hold data to hold. Direct current can be automatically recognized. Differentiate between positive and negative poles. Detect battery voltage. The voltage is normal. Can automatically identify on and off. Detect the on-off condition of the car line fuse. The resistance can be automatically identified. As you can see, the accuracy is very high. Switch to phase. Follow the steps to touch the 3 wires A, B and C with the watch pen. Determine whether the phase sequence is forward or reverse. The specific operation steps can be found here. Switch to live gear. Firewire ID. The screen flashes red and is accompanied by a beep, and nothing happens at the 0 line. Switch to NCV gear. The stronger the electric field is sensed, the more the screen flashes and beeps. Press the button to switch high sensitivity detection. It will be detected at a farther distance. Check down the line. No alarm means no power. You can see that this is where the line is disconnected. If there is no operation for 15 minutes, it will automatically shut down.